3-piece set. This kids' furniture set includes 2 comfy kid-sized chairs and 1 trendy table. Activity table set. Perfect for crafts, creativity, or a cozy tea party. Rest your feet with these 2 petite seats. Solid legs. Sleek and sturdy for added stability and style. No tools needed. Super easy assembly, just spin the table and chair legs on. Top reviews from the United States. Almost perfect. The chairs are perfect. The table is a 4 out of 5, due to the seam that ends up collecting crud. Photo. I bought 2 additional chairs, and it's a tight fit. Bit my 4 munchkins, 2 to 12, still love to eat together. Other than the crud collecting seam, the whole set is easy to clean with Lysol wipes. I put the table and 4 chairs together in less than 15 minutes.